Hi, Andrew McIntosh, Action Property Inspections. If you've ever thought about removing some of the stumps under your house to obtain that little bit of extra space, think again. I'd like to show you two examples of how not to remove stumps and open up the subfloor area. Now, this particular house is supported on its original timber stumps. These owners have subsequently installed a large timber beam and removed a few of the central stumps to provide that extra space. The problem is these old timber stumps have sustained significant decay and should have been replaced. Here you'll see packing on top of the stump due to settlement of the stumps as they deteriorate. There's two tiny nails, as you can see, in the end of this beam holding it to the bearer and to the top of the post. Believe it or not, there are no other fixings, no bolts, no screws, no tie downs whatsoever holding this beam in position. As you can see again, significant packing on the top of the old stump, no ant capping, leaving this section of the house prone to termite attack. These stumps should have really been replaced, particularly given the load now spread onto them by the large beam. Again, significant packing to the top of this external post. This is the same house, however these are the external perimeter stumps. There's the hot water overflow pipe, dumping water on the ground up against the stump, promoting further decay. Now these perimeter stumps, and particularly the stumps under the beam, should be replaced. Now I'll show you an example of another house where steel posts have been removed to provide additional space. In this instance, the owners have installed metal fissure plates to the bearers to strengthen the bearers. The problem is the metal fissure plates and the size of the existing bearer is inadequate. We're still starting to get deflection or sag down of the bearers. Now subsequent support modifications will be required to maintain the structural integrity of this floor structure above. Now these are just a couple of examples of how you should not modify the subfloor area just to get that little bit of extra space.